If you are under the age of 18 and are watching this video, please stop now. This content was not intended for you.
Hey everybody, it's TMIKA, and yes, I still have my Christmas wreath up for several reasons. One, I love Christmas. Two, I still have my Christmas tree up. So there's that. Three, I live in a townhouse and all of my Amazon packages keep going next door and I have to wait till they get home to get them. So this is how I distinguish come to the house with a wreath. Anyway, I'm here to announce a giveaway challenge. So I'm so excited to be able to host a challenge. I didn't host any, I don't think, last year. So this is going to be fun. It's open to US, international, anywhere, anybody who wants to participate. So it's going to be really simple. And it's the $5 challenge. So what you'll have to do is visit your local Dollar Tree, Target, Dollar Spot, Bullseye, Five Below, Joann's, Michael's, any of those bins. You have to spend $5 or less. So it's 4 items. So the idea is to try to spend less than 5 and use at least 3 items from the things that you get from the Really, the Amazon truck is pulling up right when I'm doing this video. Seriously, as I was just talking about it. Can't make this up. So anyway, so I'm going to have a tutorial following after this video to let you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. What I don't want you to do is grab like a votive candle and wrap like bling around it. I want it to be a useful, meaningful, crafty project that you can use and or give away. So I will, throughout the month of February, be uploading projects to show you some ideas that you can do using the Dollar Tree or Dollar Spot or those kind of items or those kind of stores to use projects for your crafty needs. So attached to this video, you'll see a bookmark. It's planner time, New Year time. It's time to get organized. So you'll see me use all the things from the Dollar Tree. So I want to try to encourage you guys to participate. I'll have a running tab on my blog, a running list of people who I have received videos from. Seriously, I'm doing a video for YouTube. I'm like, oh, you can't hear me? I'm doing a video for YouTube. I'm like, oh, look, Amazon gonna pull up right there. Here, I'll take it. Thank you. Got an Amazon package. So, anyway, where was I? Where was I at? Let me think. Give me a second. Anyway, I don't know. But right after this video, I'll link the bookmark video so you guys can see how I put that together. So I want to, oh, I know what it was. I'll have a running tab or a list of names that is participated. What you have to do is upload a video for 2 points, and you have to or either one, or Instagram for 2 points. If you do both, of course, that's 4. And then if you use 4 items, you'll get an extra point. So all of those names, all of those points will go into a pool, and there's going to be 3 winners. 1 grand prize winner, $50 into your PayPal, and 2 $25 second and third place winners. So I'll have a playlist of all of the videos that I receive. So you have to tag me on Instagram, or you have to at me on YouTube and let me know that you've done the video. Leave it on this post so that I can go check it out and link your video to my playlist. And that's it. I hope you guys do participate. It's going to be super fun. Try to utilize the items that you've already gotten from the Dollar Tree. So in your video, just show us what you use, where you got it from, and show us your project. You don't have to do a tutorial or anything like that. So be sure to mention my name, and then there'll be a hashtag. So let me come up with a hashtag real quick. Hold on. Hashtag scrap the world 5. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. It took a whole long time to figure that out. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Here's the video for the things that I got from the Dollar Tree and what I made. Bye. I am here to share with you guys a quick planner tutorial. I know this is the year or the time of year where planners are being made. They're being ordered, they're being written in, they're being planned. So I wanted to share with you guys a quick little idea that I have for making a little planner marker. So these items are all from the Dollar Tree. 90+% of these items are from the Dollar Tree. I'll share with you the items that are not, but you should have these in your stash. So let's get to making this marker. Okay, so the items that you'll need to grab from the Dollar Tree is a chopping mat. You get 2 pieces in this, and I did haul most of these items in my recent Dollar Tree. I'll put Dollar Tree haul. I'll put that down below in the description box. But these are multiple use mats, and you get 2 of them. They're 11 by 14, so you can make a bunch of little markers and give them as gifts. you'll need to grab a pack of these. They come in a pack of 3. One piece makes 1 tag, or I guess you can make 2, but they'll be fairly thin depending on how the size. You can get 3 out of these for sure, but if you double it up, then you can get your 9. And then if you have some beads in your Dollar Tree section, this came from the Dollar Tree, check like your DIY kids crafts area. See if you can find yourself some beads. Also from the Dollar Tree, these hair spirals. They have these cute little stars on them just to have like a little dangle on your bookmark. You'll need a pack of sequin mix, preferably coordinating with the other items that you have. And to personalize your bookmark, you'll need some stickers, letter stickers. And I like these. They're a little bit raised. They have a little bit of silver and gold in them. So even if you chose to go with the silver spirals, let me show you those. You could use these as well because that has the gold. And then you could also use the jump rings that are silver in the Dollar Tree too. I'm not going with the silver today. I'm going to go with the gold. And I'm going to use, this is an item that is from my stash. It's an eyelet that's not included in the Dollar Tree haul. And also I need a jump ring that's gold. But if you're doing silver, then those 2 items, the jump ring is in the Dollar Tree. So you don't have to worry about that. I'm going to cut my mat with a rotary cutter. And this is also from the Dollar Tree. So all of these items are from the Dollar Tree. 1 jump ring, 1 eyelet and 1 jump ring is what you'll need from your stash to make this bookmark. All right, another tool that you're going to use is the crocodile, and this is going to get your eyelet pierced in your bookmark. And then a hole punch. You can also use crocodile for that too, but you can use a hole punch. These come from the Dollar Tree as well, and a pair of scissors. And you can get that as well. This is a whole 99% Dollar Tree, mostly Dollar Tree DIY. All right, so what you want to do, take your mat and determine what size you want your bookmark. So I'm just going to do 2 by 6. So the first thing I want to do is take off this little edge here, or this little curve. The ends of these things are curved, so around the corners, the ends of these placemats. I just want to take that on off. Okay. And then I'm going to do 2 by 6. All right. I got my piece here that's cut 2 by 6, and I'm going to grab my little sequin here and my numbers. My self-laminating sheets. Let's get on frame here. And I do want to determine what I'm going to put here, right? So how I'm going to do, what I'm going to spell out, make sure I have enough letters for it. So I'm just going to do my name on here. So I think these should fit. TMIKA. Yeah, that should fit on there. So we're going to take out our laminating sheets. And that, like I said, it comes in 3, pack of 3. But before I do that, I want to add a little sequin mix. I'm going to flip this open. Try not to touch anything extra. And like I said, this is where you can determine whether you do 1 or 2. If you do this, if you do 2 by 6, you can definitely squeeze 2 out of here. So, I could squeeze 2 out of here. All right. I cut another piece down. Try to leave a space on all sides for closure. It's going to be tight, but it can be done. And then I'm going to add the sequin mix. Make sure that they are flat as can be. You can also do glitter if you want. You can do nothing. But these are, you want to make sure that they are flat. Some of these are coupling here. And I do want them to face all the same direction. Just get that spread out how you like. I hope I was on frame. So now, if I wasn't, all I did was cut 2 pieces of 2 by 6 pieces from the placemat. and we're going to put 2 in 1 so we can get 9 out of this 1 pack of laminating cards, because there's 3 to a pack. We're going to gently take off this little strip, and I'm going to hold these in place while I bend this down. So I like to do a nice roll. Over the top. And then you want to seal it. Now you can, like I said, you can add glitter, you can add a whole bunch of other stuff, but there's these little air pockets in here, obviously because the sequins are in there, and you want to, just like you're getting a new cell phone, get those air bubbles out, get them off to the side. You can even put a little message in here, type up something, print it off, put it in here, put some, of course, you know, pattern paper and stuff, do all that, seal all the edges. See those little pops? That's air, so you want to make sure you get it off as smooth as possible. And I got 2 little sequins that decided to join themselves together, but that's okay. All right, after you're satisfied with that, you're going to go ahead and cut off the extra. Be careful not to break the seal, and then this just pops open. So I try not to mess with that at all. Just follow this right down the middle. You can kind of see the bubbling of where it stops, of where you do not need to cut. So leave that like that. And then I'm going to cut off a little excess on this end. Got myself 2 bookmarks because I got 2. I actually have 3 different planners. 1 for work, 1 for life, and 1 for crafting. So that's that. And so now we can just do the fun stuff. Well, that was fun too. That was fun too, right? And then I'm just going to go ahead and spell my name out. All right, that's that. That's where that's going to be. I kind of like it on the flat side. Adds more stability. And these are the letters that we have left. All right, these are turning out super cute. So now what you want to do is determine where you want your notches to be for your planner if you're going to make notches. If you're just going to stick this in a book and call it a day, then just do that. But if you want to put it in your planner, all right, let's say I want to put it in this one. This is my lucky book, but this is my like idea book, right? I write down when I'm thinking at night. This is right by my bed, and I have like all of my ideas and stuff in here for YouTube. So let's just say I want to have this sticking out like that. So what I want to do is mark where I want my holes to be and how many I want on there, and punch a hole and go for it. Otherwise I can leave it, you know, just like this and put a little charm on it. So I'm going to go ahead and actually going to make this for this book because I need to. So I'm going to have it up just a little bit, just like that. And then I'm going to mark it with the B. Not a B. And it's going to go like one right there. This is where I want them to be. Just a little mark. We can fit in my book. And this is a lot of marks. Like, this is a long notebook. or small spirals, which make it long. But you might have a 3-ring binder, and you just need 3. So, you know, that's how that goes. But you want to take your hole punch or your crocodile, if you have that, and punch it right on through, just like that. And you want to follow that all the way down. All right. I could have easily have done that with my crocodile, but like I said, I wanted you guys to know that you can personalize this stuff with items from your Dollar Tree. So once you have all of these on there, you just want to go, whoa, I'm not going to use these. I'm going to take my smaller scissors here. And if you don't have like a planner punch or anything like that, just take your scissors and cut little small slits in there so they can fit one right next to each other. And this is what we're doing. Just making little slits so they can fit inside the planner. or the notebook or whatever. So that's all done. And then I said I wanted this to be popped up a little bit. So to test it out, make sure everything's good, you want to squeeze these right in there. There we go. That's on there. Nice and easy. And then you could, you know, that just stays there. And boom, done. Really simple. I love these little things. So now we're just going to finish it out with the little decorative elements here. And I'm just going to use my crocodile for this one. I'm going to put my little dangle here in the upper right hand corner. Grab myself an eyelet. One eyelet. Now we can just add some little dingles. We can close up shop on those items. And now we just need to apply these. I'm going to tighten my little loop here a little bit because I don't want it. It's going to be in and out, you know, around the way on my desk. And I don't want the little dangles to dangle off. Go ahead and use one of these little spiralies and add some extra more glam on here. It's going to take off this cute little star charm and add it to my planner, my bookmark. Now, how cute is that? That is so adorable. That is so pretty. Nice little dangle. And then I'm going to add it to my book. Let me turn to a free page here. And I want it to stick out just a little bit. And we're just going to do this. Awesome. So there we go. When you get done, you're done writing. You can flip your pages out. And it makes just for an easy gift, an easy mark, inexpensive. And you can make several of them on a nice little budget. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all of you. If you could take a moment and like this video, that would be so helpful for my channel. Leave a comment and let me know if you guys decide to try this as well. All right, I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.